If I don't get to love you on earth, I will wait to love you in heaven. We walk slow where the whispers live, halfway down this complex road. Eyes on us but my heart don't flinch, 'cause I know what we both know. You say there's feelings you're working through, old promise still echoing loud, but you told the gate to close that door, and I saw courage in that sound. You say you're pulsing, fighting flesh, convicted but still drawn to me. We kneel at night and fold our hands, asking God what this could be. If I don't get to love you on earth, if time decides another plan, if history pulls you backwards and I'm just not the man, I'll still thank God I knew you so, the way your voice says my name. And if forever's not for now, then I'll wait beyond the pain. If I don't get to love you here, where tears and trials begin, I'll wait to love you in hell. You said I heal you in ways I don't see, said I make your chest feel warm. You call me strong, a man of word, while we're weathering this storm. We talk about the shack and grace and passion on that rugged cross. We choose restraint when fire burns, even when it feels like loss.
People talking, friends report, but they don't see us when we pray. When you whisper trust His timing, and my fears just melt away.
I don't want to have your heart at war, I don't want love you're unsure of. I want the kind that walks in light, that's fearless and that's pure enough.
If I don't get to love you on earth, if your past calls you back again, if you need more time to untie knots from where you've already been,
I won't curse the sky or question God, I won't turn cold within. I'll just keep a place inside my soul where your memory has been.
and if this life don't write our names in the same chapter we're in, I'll wait to love you in heaven.
Because love isn't possession, and love isn't demand. It's choosing someone freely with an open, steady hand. And if your freedom lead the way, I won't chain it with my fear. I'll bless you as you walk your path, even if it's not to hear.
But if you choose me, I'll build with you, pray with you, wake before the sun with you, fight temptation, fight the world, hold your heart like something sacred too.
If I don't get to love you on earth, then heaven can wait for me. But if God writes us side by side, I'll love you faithfully.
No rush, no fear, no pressure lines, just truth in everything. And if forever starts down here, I'll give you all of me.
But if not, I'll trust His will above my own.
And where eternity
If I don't get to love you on earth, I'll wait to love you in heaven.